Guys, it's your boy George back at you with another video. It's been like 6 months. I'm really sorry guys, but like, you know, with everything going on in the world, life has been really crazy. Yes, as you can tell, I'm in a different vehicle. I got a fucking 2015 Scat Pack. I'm gonna do a walk around of it. You're probably gonna see that video first before you see this one, but today we're gonna be doing mid-muffler and resonator deletes. So that's what I'm about to do. Just get it a little louder. I've had the car for like a month now, and I've been like putting this off because I haven't registered. Sorry, I'm looking at the mirror instead of the lens. I haven't gotten the car registered. I just submitted the paperwork today, so hopefully smooth sailing, and I'll have like at least in the system it registered, and the place should be at my house, you know, relatively soon. Yeah, so I'll give you guys a cold start. So here she is. I started her up a little bit. Like I cranked her, and then I was like, oh shit, the camera's not on. So yeah, that's why it's not as loud. But it's a 6-speed manual. I'll give you guys an in-depth tour and like, you know, of the vehicle, like a look around. I sold the Beamer, I sold a Lexus. It was crazy because I dumped mad money into a Lexus. I had her almost full bolt on, she's tuned, all that shit. There's catless headers. I deleted the secondary cats on her. I bought catless headers, didn't get the chance to install them. And then, you know, I ended up selling it. But I sold it to my boy Cadell. You guys seen him, you guys know him. So she's in good hands. You'll still see her around. And I'll do like a little card check to show you guys how I left her. And whatever Cadell decides to do with her, you know, you guys will see. This is the car right now. I'm gonna just let her warm up. Let her warm up a little bit, and I'm gonna just organize a few things in the car while I do that. Shit, sorry guys. It's been a minute since I've held the camera. So yeah, I'll hit you guys up when we get to the spot. I gotta go pick up some money, and then obviously drive out to the spot to go get this shit done. So I'll see you guys in a bit. So what's up guys? I am now at the exhaust shop waiting because they're working on 2 vehicles. They only have 2 left here. But yeah, so he's welding up that one, and this one is just going up. So I don't know how well you guys can hear me because I'm not trying to be too loud, but yeah. So once they're done, I'm gonna pull in and they're gonna check it out, give me a price, try to negotiate, and then that's that. So in the meantime, I'm gonna go and look at the tips that they got, because I want quad tips. Like the tips that I have on the car, I don't like them. Not that I don't like them, but they're boring, you know? So these are the tips that's currently on the car. The stock ones, I don't like them shits. I want something, you know, I want quad tips. So big ass, either 3.5 inch or fucking 4-inch tips. So we're gonna see what they got. Oh, they got them. Oh, those are singles though. Fuck. Yeah. Them shits is tiny. This shit right here might work. This shit right here. I think this is the one that I had on the Beamer. Yeah, these are the ones that I had on the Beamer. This one might work. But they only have one that I can see. Yeah, I don't know. That shit looks kind of cool, kind of tacky at the same time. Yeah, I think I'll see how this looks when it's on the car. I'll see. And then if it looks good, we'll get them. Probably like 3.5 inch to be honest. So we should be good. But I'll hit you guys up when it's on the lift. Alright, so she's about to go up soon. I can't even see the screen, but yeah, I'm trying to look into the fucking lens. But she's about to go up soon, so we see what they talking about. Good looks, bro. Yeah, I gotta wash her. I was upstate, it was snowing, that's why she's dirty. Yeah.
You gonna call me some shit?
Nah, I just got her a month ago, so I haven't
got this a month ago?
I had a 328 XI before this. I haven't had a chance to take her out yet. Yeah. Yeah, this shit. What size is this? Alright, I'll keep the stock tip. Okay. These are only 3-inch, so I'm gonna pass on those for now, I think. I don't know. I feel like they might look good, but they might look too small. I need at least 3.5 inches. But yeah, we're gonna get to. I'm gonna order some. I found some that I like. Oh, these shits are pretty hollow. Add more sound. Got the fucking cut. You already know. It's lit. Oh shit.
Yo me scared, ahí no caigo, me das debajo.
Damn, that shit is loud.
Holy fucking shit, bro. That shit is too loud.
I love it.
Shit. Do it for now.
Oh wait, hold on. Yo, this shit is loud! Yo, this shit is so fucking loud. I love it. I fucking love it. Yo, like, listen to this. Yo, I'm sorry guys, but like, I think I went too far with this one. This shit is loud. Like, it is loud. And the car ain't registered, so I know I'm definitely drawing attention to myself, but I'm gonna chill out. Like, damn, son, she sound mean. Like, fuck, son. Oh, what the fuck, dude? Oh, this nigga, I'm sorry. This guy was just fucking blowing, like, leaves all into the fucking street, into people's cars and shit. But yeah, this shit is loud. She is loud. She is loud, like, louder than the Beamer, like, way louder than I expect. I thought it was gonna be, like, a little bit deeper. Now she's, like, a lot deeper, screaming, and like, how would I even describe it? It's like I've awoken a beast from her slumber, some tacky, you know, corny shit. But like, for real though, I mean, she's not bad when you're not gunning it, but like, this is way more than I was expecting. I was expecting like a little bit more rumble type shit, but like, this is like screams. So I'm driving over to a shop to put some air in my tires real quick, and then I'm gonna drive back home and link up with Cadell and them. So we'll see. Yeah. Hold on.
Yo. That shit hurt my ears.
Nigga, we was in the shop. I didn't expect it to be loud, so. What is up, guys? It is currently the next day. It's windy as hell. sorry about the wind noise, guys, but we're gonna do a cold start, see how she sounds. So yeah, I'm gonna wash her too, so it's a cold start. While she warms up, I'm gonna you know, clean up the trunk a little bit and stuff like that. I'm trying to get the tripod ready so I can put you guys at the back. Yeah, this wind noise is gonna be fucking crazy. I already know it, man. This sucks. If it's not good, I'll get you guys another clip in another video or something like that, or I just hold off on uploading this one.